In today's professional world, having the right projection system can completely change the way meetings and lessons are delivered. The ViewSonic LS560WH is designed specifically for business and educational environments where clarity, reliability, and low maintenance matter most. This is a 3000 lumens WXGA short-throw LED projector that focuses on performance and practicality rather than unnecessary extras. Brightness is the first thing that stands out. With 3000 lumens, this projector is capable of producing a clear and vibrant image even when the room lights are on. That means no more darkening the entire classroom or conference room just to see slides clearly. Text stays readable, graphs remain sharp, and video playback maintains strong visibility. For daily office presentations or academic lessons, this level of brightness makes a noticeable difference. The short throw capability is another major advantage. Unlike traditional projectors that need to be placed far from the screen, this model can sit much closer and still project a large image. That makes it perfect for smaller meeting spaces or classrooms where distance is limited. It also minimizes shadows caused by presenters walking in front of the screen, which helps maintain a clean and professional viewing experience. The native WXGA resolution at 1280 by 800 is ideal for spreadsheets, presentations, and HD video content. It offers a wider aspect ratio than standard XGA, giving more horizontal space for documents and side-by-side content. For business users and educators, that extra width can be extremely useful during collaborative sessions. One of the features that improves usability is horizontal and vertical keystone correction. Image alignment can be adjusted quickly, ensuring that the projected image appears perfectly rectangular even if the projector is not centered. This saves valuable setup time and eliminates the frustration of distorted visuals during important meetings. LAN control is a powerful addition for organizations managing multiple devices. IT administrators can monitor and manage projectors remotely across a network. In schools, universities, or corporate offices, this centralized control simplifies maintenance and allows quick troubleshooting without physically accessing each unit. The LED light source brings long-term value. Traditional lamp projectors often require costly bulb replacements after a few thousand hours. The LS560WH uses an LED system rated for up to 20,000 hours of operation. That means years of dependable performance with minimal upkeep. Reduced maintenance translates directly into lower ownership costs over time. Connectivity options are flexible and ready for professional use. HDMI ensures compatibility with modern laptops and media devices. VGA supports older systems still in use in many institutions. USB and LAN ports expand functionality further. This versatility makes integration into existing setups straightforward and hassle-free. Another important benefit is energy efficiency. LED projectors typically consume less power compared to lamp-based alternatives. This not only lowers electricity usage, but also reduces heat output. The cooling system operates quietly, making it suitable for environments where concentration and clear communication are essential. In practical usage, the LS560WH performs consistently. Color reproduction is balanced and natural, avoiding oversaturation while still delivering vibrant visuals. Text clarity is strong enough for detailed spreadsheets and reports. For video playback in educational or training sessions, motion remains smooth and watchable. The compact design also deserves attention. It doesn't take up excessive space on a desk and can easily be mounted if needed. Its clean and professional appearance fits seamlessly into corporate boardrooms and modern classrooms. Audio performance is adequate for smaller spaces, though larger rooms may benefit from external speaker systems. Still, for everyday presentations and lessons, the built-in speaker handles basic needs effectively. Overall, the ViewSonic LS560WH is built for productivity-focused environments. Prioritizes brightness, longevity, flexibility, and ease of management. For businesses looking to upgrade meeting room equipment or schools investing in durable classroom technology, this projector offers a smart balance between cost and performance. If you're interested in improving your presentation setup, check the link in the description to see more details and current pricing options. Investing in the right projection solution can elevate communication, engagement, and overall efficiency.